Hello, it's Paul. I'm going to give you a quick introduction as fast as I can to Acuity scheduling. I really like it. It's something I would recommend if you're looking into scheduling software. Obviously, it's for booking classes, appointments, scheduling them, moving things around, showing people when you're available, blocking out time for certain things. And it's really cool. It's really easy to use. So we're going to go through it. I will break out this video into chapters. So if you want to jump to a certain place, you'll be able to see in the description where that chapter's time starts. This is an introduction. It's not necessarily a how to use Acuity, step by step. It's really showing you the power of Acuity before you jump in. What I'll do on my website is I'll add a free training course where I'll put some extra steps on how to set it up, and if you get any problems you can ask me, right? So Acuity is really cool. As I say, you can book in your time. If you've got classes, you can do more than one. You can say a certain amount of people can join. You can do sync it with your calendar. So if you book something on your Google Calendar or something like that, it obviously blocks out time within your scheduling software, so it becomes unavailable. You can do recurring classes. You can take money via PayPal or Stripe, and I'm going to go through it and show you exactly how to work it. We're going to be using, I'll talk about pricing in a second, we're going to be using the $15 a month version, which is what the trial is. So at this point though, what's really cool is if you pause me and tell me why you're here, there may be videos that I can point you to that are more accurate to you, or I can show you information that might help you out, but it also helps me understand who's watching my videos and why they're watching. So just pause me in the comments, just write, tell me why you're here, tell me where you're from, and it gives me a great indication of who's watching and how I can year on year better make these videos.